to the channel, y'all. In this episode of Parsons Productions, we are officially in the new and approved Parsons Productions studio. Say hello. Say hello. Anyway, well, we have everything for the most part set up. It's looking really well. Still a few little details here and there that we need to iron out and get all sorted. However, in this episode, we are installing something for the old BRZ. The BRZ officially has its spots. If you can see here, got the BRZ all tucked away neatly in the garage. It's looking good. It's looking good. We've got the bike just hanging out, as well as the Parsons Productions banner. We've got some cool little LEDs going on over there. I got a box. Bet you're wondering what's inside this box. So, I'm gonna open it up. We have, for you, a rear view mirror. This rear view mirror in particular is frameless. The one inside the BRZ is not frameless, it's the stock one that came with the BRZ, and it has been something that's been bothering me for a long time. If you can take a quick peek inside the BRZ, don't mind the dust. It is all sorts of nasty. Like, I don't know what this is, but I think the mirror's like delaminating or something, but it's all coming apart. So that's why we have the old frameless mirror, and hopefully this one will look a lot nicer. Let's get to installing this bad boy. So to remove the mirror, it's super simple. All you're gonna do is you're going to twist the mirror itself from the base, and it'll pop right off. So you're gonna twist, like I said, from the base. You'll kind of bend this out of the way. You'll twist it like so. You can see I'm just twisting, and it pops right off like that. And now you have a mirror just in your hands. I'm gonna go ahead and unwrap the new one. As you can tell, it's super clean. The frameless look looks awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and twist it, and it should slide right on. Just like so. And there we go. Nice new rear view mirror. That looks so good. That looks so good with the frameless frame on it. It's a little dirty, but you know, we'll clean it up and we'll get it all taken care of. It's as simple as that, guys. The frameless mirror is now in, and the frame is no longer framed because it's a frameless mirror. And I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up, and I think it's gonna look dope. That's all I've got for this episode of Parsons Productions, so I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in the next one.